What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the green Monster and the Purple Heart and what's coming for both of those vehicles.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Represent, gotta represent.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. One of the things I've been asking, one of the things that you guys have been asking for the most is an update on both of the cars and where it's at right now. And for the green Monster, we're going to have that car going to the shop here shortly. And for the Purple Heart, the same thing. We definitely want to look at getting that carburetor done on the car, putting a choke on the car, and a couple of other miscellaneous things. We're definitely looking at finding the necessary trim and things of that nature to, I kind of went back and forth whether I wanted to put the trim on the outside of the car or kind of just fill it and paint it, where, fill all those holes and just paint it the same color and just not have any of that trim. But you guys have gone nuts in the comments and said that it absolutely has to have that trim. So I think when I make the trip back here and the next day, running back to Oklahoma, you guys will get to see, what we're going to be doing with that. So stay tuned for that. And you guys have been following the IAA progress on the Monster donor car. Now, this was absolutely shocking that this vehicle was actually able to be found. So according to Dodge, or to FCA, only 18 of that color combination and setup as a manual were ever ordered or made, especially, and ones like mine that had a sunroof, there's only 5. So this other one that's at IAA that, we're looking at scooping up to use as a donor vehicle is one of 5. The green Monster being another one of those. So there's 3 more of those with clean titles out there somewhere in the world. We don't know, what the situation is with it. But I think, possibly putting the appropriate interior in it. I think getting the appropriate interior and whatnot put into it. And I think some of you guys had a really good idea. If the title, which it looks like right now, the title on the donor car is actually clear. So that's not salvage. It could be to fix that car, especially where it only has 19,000 miles, and make that the primary Monster. And then, take the original and use that as the track car, put a roll cage in it and all that good stuff. But we'll see how it goes. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Also, let me know what you guys think about, what we've been doing so far with the Purple Heart and what you would like to see from it. I know you guys want to see a long distance road trip in that car. It's just not, it's not mechanically sound to be able to do that yet. Once the carburetor is replaced and it's got an appropriate choke, even with the electric fuel pump, I still don't think it's the right thing to do, right? We've also been getting crazy offers on the car, and you guys know I'm in the process of moving things back and forth, from North Carolina out to here and back and forth from Oklahoma. So stay tuned. There's going to be, I'm sure, at least a few more videos on that Purple Heart before we get done with it. And you guys have a couple videos. There's a video going live probably for you guys tomorrow with the green Monster going to the shop to have a couple things addressed after it coming back from Copart. And then, like I said, it really depends on what happens with the donor vehicle at IAA is really going to determine what happens with the green Monster going forward. So with that said, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Got to give a major shout out to the sponsors of today's video, and that is Mint Mobile. Link is in the description down below. Their promo is almost up, where if you sign up, especially if you're coming from an AT&T or a Verizon network. That means Visible, Cricket, AT&T, Verizon, any of those Verizon networks like Straight Talk, whatever. If you come over to Mint Mobile, they're giving you $100 as like a bill credit for later. Plus, they're giving you pay for the 3 months of service, so you're looking at $90 for 3 months of total unlimited ultra capacity 5G service. And then you get another 3 months on top of that for free. So think about this, $90, 6 months of service, unlimited, with hotspot, data, the whole nine, full priority access to the network. You really can't beat it. And major shout out to Mint Mobile for being awesome sponsors and partners with the channel and today's video. With that said, guys, that's going to wrap it up for me. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for being here. I got some major news and some big announcements coming for you guys in the next day or so. Stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Perfect.